Hey, I'm thinking you finna show me a real clip. That shit was AI. That shit ain't structured.
Got so much more with that. Tell you little nigga hold that. Yeah, what y'all she gon' throw it back. Can't let these niggas run with that. Records I done broke that. Nigga, I need more cash. Niggas doing so bad. Sippin' dirty word is so bad.
Alright, boys, man, as y'all can see, we gotta get this ugly ass tint off the car, bro. Look at it. A lot of y'all notice, bro. Try it. It's purple. The tint is purple. You a grown ass man. I won't do that shit again. My bad. I'm sorry. But yeah, on the outside, it don't look too bad. But when you open the door, it's purple. So yeah, we gotta get this shit off the car ASAP, bro. I mean, it's crazy because somebody must have broke this window. Because I ain't gonna lie, this is regular and then it's purple. And then this front window also purple. So yeah, we finna fix this shit. Mind you,
Holy Jesus.
no windshield tint, which I don't roll around like that. I gotta have windshield tint. So, oh, even the sunroof, gang. Horrible.
Hold on, let me see if I could. How do you take tint off? Like, what's the right way to do it? Like,
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
Fuck y'all looking at? Get the fuck out my face.
I just gotta get a good grip on this shit. Like, what if I peel it? Like, is it like a sticker? Like,
That's gotta be racist.
oh. It leaves a lot of adhesive. Oh, fuck. Aww. Should I peel it? Like, I know it's gonna leave a lot of adhesive, but let me see if I can get that off before I try peeling this shit. Hold on.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So that did actually work, y'all. Spraying some Windex on it and then just scraping it. So I think I'm just finna do the whole thing, bro. And we finna see how this shit go. I'm not gonna want some bird poop on that motherfucker.
I'm about to end this man's whole career. Y'all can smell the smell of this shit. Y'all will be like, what the fuck? It smells like paint, paper, cigarettes, sweat, and garlic parmesan.
What the fuck? Why would...
Let me show y'all what this look like. Like, it's like sticky, like.
There's no way out of this.
Fuck.
No!
So it ain't going so good. Ain't gonna lie. We got this, and this came off of that. So not really sure what to do. Hey, what should we do? Shut your ass up! What we gonna do about this tent, man? My shit did a little dinosaur nugget rip.
We gotta find something to fix that shit. That shit is bad.
Why are you gay?
Nice.
But how you do that so effortlessly, bro?
I don't even know, bro.
You just got more aura than me. That's what you saying?
Yeah, bro.
No!
Damn, bro. So that's.
I think I'm more of him.
No.
So this your final product as far as getting it off, right? Yo, this is what I'm working.
No.
This is bad. Yeah, no, it's cooked. Shit. Wait, you did that without the heat? You just fucking goated, I guess. Damn, imagine if that shit went in your ass. What?
Hey.
You said how fucked up is fucked up? That's fucked up. That's fucked up. Yeah. Sorry. This is really some fishy. Dang, just said fuck that one. Yeah, I fucked up. You know what? Let's just replace that. I'm gonna just order a new window at this point, bro. That shit fucked up. No fucking way you just did that shit twice, bro. 2 windows in a side window? Yeah, he got the steamer. He cheating. Stanley steamer, that nigga. How's it going on?
Split. You want to split down the middle. I don't even want to split hole.
God damn. I like how you get it wet up there.
That's what she said.
Stop the cap.
I mean, that's just a compliment. My bad. Let's take a look at that windshield.
This is good.
Yeah, I know.
I can tell by the way you drunk that motherfucker. Hurry up and buy.
Hurry up and bite.
It look kind of light because the other side ain't done yet, but it's not bad.
He needs some milk.
Damn.
Yeah, bro. Make a nigga work.
Yeah, one of them stick out.
Part-time tenor.
Huh?
Try. Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This part right here got to be the hardest part, bro. Cause there's like no way to get your fucking fingers down there. Like, how did a nigga manage to tint all the way in here? Like, that's literally not even humanly fucking possible, bro. That's not even humanly possible, bro. I'm gonna fix my hair. I probably look crazy. We're getting finished up now. We got this window left and this one getting tinted now. Hey.
Hey.
Oh, Mr. B.
It's coming along pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. Last piece is finally done. Well, I don't know if he layering it or not, but that's a 20 on the back. Right out of 5. A darky full.
Damn, you made it seem like it's 12 o'clock, bro.
Stay tuned, because we might go to a car meet later. You wanna go to a car meet with me?
Come on, bro.
You wanna go for real?
I'm gonna take that one.
You take that one?
Yeah.
The truck?
Yeah.
Oh, that means you could pull me over there.
Yeah.
All right, bet. Come on.
Back there. Come on.
Hey, nigga, let go, nigga.
Gun in my lap, or my bro, he in a passenger. Three on that fuck shit, he killing, yeah, he savage. I damage him. Make you put a plug, he's so damaged, bro, I damaged him. Make you put a plug, he's so damaged, bro. All black Hellcat, they like who that? Listen,
Alright, y'all boys, as I can see, it is nighttime, bro, and we actually indeed finished the. Damn! We got 3 charges back to back to back. We got 2 scats and a cat and a motherfucking track. Wait, this is the tent right here, man. I got a 5 on the side. I ain't gonna lie, we tinted the vent swap, gang. Damn, y'all, this quality sucks. Oh well, I don't give a fuck, nigga. I love y'all. I hope y'all still watching me because my quality's ass, nigga.
Come on now, dog.
Boom. That's a little better, I guess. But I was most excited about the windshield game because the windshield was not tinted. So the fact that the windshield is now tinted. You stealing, bro?
Nah.
Oh, you stealing, bro?
Huh?
You done broke all the goddamn school. He broke all them bitches. Ain't nobody riding shit but this dude. Literally late night chronicles, bro. Late night chronicles. This nigga turned it down the hose because they ugly. And this nigga thought that this tall, dark skinned nigga was cute. Alright, y'all boys, so y'all can see. It is the next day. Tinting this car took forever, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Let me get out some supercharger wine real quick. Hold on. I just got the windows tinted, but I don't even care. Oh my god, hold on, wait. 3. Oh my, I kinda did miss having a Mopar, I'm not gonna lie. These right here is what a young nigga is finna buy. I should've got something else though. Let me see, I'm still in here. What else would I need though? So many delicious options to choose from. You know what I'm saying? I don't know which one to get. You know, I need some leather cleaner, which I got I need that for both my cars actually. I'm not dirty, but
You gotta protect the leather, man. Leather seats on both cars, man. You gotta, come on, man. Don't be fucking up, man. Y'all got leather seats. Y'all don't want to get in y'all cars at car meets and y'all seats smell like badussy. So, y'all make sure I get y'all some goddamn leather cleaner, bro. Alright, y'all. So this is how we looking right now. We couldn't really figure this last part out down here, so said fuck it. I'll probably just replace the whole fucking back window, to be honest. Front, well, that's the back actually. Front. So that's the side profile right there. Then windshield's done. It's just like you see how you can kind of see on the side where the doors is at. Hold on, let me close this. Then close this. And then boom. The sun is like facing directly in there. So obviously my nigga, you can kind of see, but at night you for sure can't see in here. Like, no, at night that shit's cooked. I'm not gonna lie, you're not seeing in here at night. And let me show you what it like on the inside. So the inside look like this, which is kind of dark, for real, for real. I know this camera really don't do justice, honestly. That's the closest door.
Stop it.
I think this is pretty. I think this is good. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is good. This is all the nigga needed, bro. But man, I love y'all boys if y'all made this far. Leave a comment. Tints for days, because it literally took us all day to tint this car. But I ain't tripping because it came out real good. So if y'all need tints, follow this page right here on Instagram. And yeah, go get some fucking tints if you're in Virginia. You got something to say? We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I'm sorry. Catch y'all in the next video.